slacking for them to start scoring. The Angola and
Yes, hence I said when we scored, possibly in their minds, in terms of the players, they begin to say, these guys, after all, they're giving us too much respect.
oh
They are
yeah,
very cautious. Therefore, we are now leading. So therefore, let us relax. When they relaxed, there was the time when Angola began to say, we are losing. Why are we then giving them too much respect? Let's
yeah,
go forward. Let's push numbers. Let's close them down in the midfield. Then we got frustrated. And part of the things that ended up happening at that particular time when we were now frustrated, we started getting these yellow cards, unnecessary yellow cards,
yeah,
more especially by your players that are playing in the midfield, like this Sitole guy. He got a yellow card at that moment, at that time when we were now getting frustrated simply because Angola was now beginning to get into the game. So
mm,
part of the things that in these tournaments that you do not need to do is to relax. Even if when you have scored, do not relax. Because
yeah,
if you start relaxing, you are putting your opposition back into the game. When your opposition gets into the game, the next thing that happens now